Hello students, today we will study class 7 science chapter 1 nutrition in plants. Now we will see what is nutrition. The process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth of all living things is called nutrition. Children, as we know, we daily eat food, chapatis, dal, roti, sabji, we are taking water, we are taking milk. These all we take it for our health and for our growth. Since we need food to grow and live, so we call it nutrition. The nutrition is mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization of the body. The food what we take in the form of nutrition is utilized by our body for its growth and for its daily needs. These components which provide nutrition are called nutrients. For example, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. Whatever food we take, it contains these parts as ingredients and also called nutrients. Every food has carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. Now we will study what are the mode of nutrition in plants. Normally, plants are the only organisms which prepare food for themselves. So they are called autotrophic. Autotrophic means self-production of food. Plants take minerals and water from soil, carbon dioxide from air, and energy from the sun. You can see in the picture, roots, they takes water and minerals. Leaves, they take carbon dioxide and energy from the sun and they produce food. How do plants make food? Plant makes food by photosynthesis process. Leaves are the food factory of plants. So they complete raw material must reach to the leaves. To produce food, we need raw material. Since leaves are the food factory, so all raw material should reach to the leaves. Water and minerals are transported through roots, stem and branches to the leaves. Leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. You can see in the picture, leaves are normally green. Chlorophyll help us to take energy from sun and use it to synthesize or prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. You can see in the picture, roots are taking water and minerals from the soil. It is transported through the roots, stems and branches to the leaves. The chlorophyll in the leaves takes energy from sun and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and produces oxygen. Since the energy is used to synthesize, so the process is called photosynthesis. Now we can see in the simple equation form, carbon dioxide plus water, it reacts with or works with sunlight and chlorophyll. It produces carbohydrates and oxygen. So this is the way how do plants make food. Now we will study synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates, means proteins. Carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Protein are nitrogenous, which means nitrogen. Nitrogen is present in air. Bacteria in soil convert gaseous nitrogen in usable form and release it to the soil. So we can see here proteins, since they contain nitrogen, so they need nitrogen to be prepared. So nitrogen is present in the air, but plants cannot use it directly. They need it in the soluble form. So bacteria in soil, they convert gaseous nitrogen in usable form and release it into the soil. Plants absorb it and along with water and make proteins. So now we have seen how the proteins are made by plants. Now we will study other form of nutrition in plants. There are some plants which do not have chlorophyll. They cannot synthesize food. It means they cannot prepare food themselves. So how do they get food? They use heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition means they get their food from some other plants. Other form of nutrition in plants. Sometimes we see a yellow wiry branch structure twinning around the stem and branches of tree. It is called cascata. You can see in the picture a yellow wiry type structure is shown around the leaves. It does not have chlorophyll. It takes food from plant in which it grows. The plant on which it grows is called host, and the wiry structure is called cascata. Cascata takes food from its host plant. Now you can see in the picture, some of the plants eat small insects. It is clearly shown in the picture. As soon as an insect comes in their range, they catch him in their jaws type leaves. Such plants are called insectivorous or carnivorous plants. So students, we hope you would have understood the nutrition in plants, and we have studied about the different forms of nutrition taken by the plants.